Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online coach, group fitness instructor, and personal trainer. And in this video, we're gonna be doing a cardio HIIT routine to the song Juice by Lizzo. It is so much fun, and I cannot wait for you to try it out. Now, you're gonna notice once we get started that I'll be talking, but you won't be able to hear a thing. And the reason why is because this is just a little snippet of my entire class called Mixtape on JJF On Demand, my online subscription program where you get access to all of my live stream workouts with that instruction and motivation straight up in your living room. So you can do these workouts at any time, anywhere. So if you enjoy this little snippet and want more, make sure to go to jennyjfitness.com for your 7-day free trial. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All you need is your body, and let's get to it. Fun sweating with me? Now, if you loved this preview of Mixtape, head over to jennyjfitness.com and start your 7-day free trial where you get the entire class, the live instruction and motivation so that you can stay fit at home or anywhere where you want to push play. So I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much, and see you next time.